Hi, welcome to video 110. This video is on ratio part to whole. Now, quite rare these questions actually, to be fair, but keywords are part and whole. Part is some of something and the whole is all of it. The method, sometimes you get given annoying questions where the ratio you're provided with represents part of the whole to the whole, all right? So in previous videos I've said it's going to be the part to the part, and then if you add the parts together you get the total. Well, you have to remember not to add the ratios together to find the whole, as that is the number that's represented on the right hand side of the ratio. Okay, but it is rare that you see these sorts of questions. You just got to read the question carefully enough to understand that that's what's going on. Right, so in number one, in fact in number one, number two, number three, I've got the same thing happening, just three different types of questions for each one. So Mr. Rosa has blue sweets and yellow sweets in the ratio of blue sweets to total sweets of 4 to 9. All right. So 4 parts to 9 parts is not. All right. It's 4 parts out of the total 9. Right. Because that's the total number of sweets. So this left hand side is included within the right hand side's number. All right. So what fraction of the sweets are blue? Well, there are 4 blue sweets out of 9. All right, and that is it. That is all you have to do. That's the fraction of sweets that are blue. All right, that is not that complicated as long as you read the question very, very carefully. Now, number two, Mr. Rosa has blue sweets and yellow sweets in the ratio of blue sweet to total sweets. I should have put an S on there. I know I did notice that in the last one. I didn't mention it, but I thought I'd get away with it, but I can't because I've written the question 3 times. And it's recorded, so I wouldn't get away with it, definitely not. Anyway, same question. What's the ratio of blue to yellow sweets? So blue to yellow, let's go B to Y. B to Y. So that is going to be 4, 2, and what's the difference between 4 and 9? It's 5. All right, that's what we'd have to add to get 9. 9 take away 4 is 5. So that must be the number of yellow sweets in the ratio. So we've got 4 to 5. Okay, again, not that complicated, but just a tricky, annoying question that's not really something that we often see. Okay, let's have a look at the last one and see if we can get this done nice and quickly as well. So this one asks what percentage of the sweets are yellow. Now, that's a little bit trickier because, again, same question, the 4 to 9 business going on, exactly the same as what's happened so far in 1 and 2. But it's about the percentage. So what we need to do is turn it into, or turn the ratio that we found in question 2, turn that into a fraction. So 4 to 5. Okay. We can turn that into, for the yellow, that's going to be 5 out of 9. All right. So for every 5 sweets out of 9 sweets are going to be yellow. Let's turn that into a percentage by multiplying by 100. If we multiply by 100, 5/9, that's a bit awkward. So I'm going to bring the calculator in to do that. There is my calculator. Just drag it across. So that's going to be 5/9 multiplied by 100. Anytime you want to turn a fraction into a percentage, you just multiply the fraction by 100. 55.5 recurring percent. So equals 55.5 recurring percent. There you go. That's the percentage of sweets that are yellow. Mr. Rosa, I should really put that on the answer space there. Mr. Rosa has 32 blue sweets. How many yellow sweets does he have? So this is one where we can scale it up, just like I did in the previous video. If the ratio was 4 to 5, which it was from question 2, wasn't it? We can then turn the blue sweets into 32, all right, and decide that number 4 has to be multiplied by 8, all right? 32 divided by 4 gives you 8. In fact, I'll go that way because that's what I did in the previous video. So that is divided by 8 there to get 4. So we're going to multiply this side by 8 to get 40. All right, and that's how many yellow sweets he has got. 40 sweets that are yellow. All right. Yeah, so tricky example, something I thought I'd just chuck in because it's something that I've seen. But like I said, it is a rare one. Just read the question carefully enough and you will not make any mistakes. All right. Please click the link in the description. I'll change the question very slightly in a similar sort of style to this one. Like, subscribe, be nice to each other, take care of yourselves.